Hey everybody, welcome to another con support video. This one's on adding negative numbers on the number line. Let's go. All right, so first things first, you guys remember your rules for addition, right? You're gonna just ask yourself, are the signs the same? If they are the same, you're gonna add them together and keep the sign the same. If the signs are different, then you're gonna find the difference and keep the sign of the larger absolute value. When you're doing it on a number line, they're just gonna visually show you what's happening. It's the same exact answer though as if you did it any other way, okay? So let's go here. It says negative 5 plus negative 2.5. So in this case, what you're doing here is you're going to say you can either start at negative 5 or you can go from 0 down 5. So if we take a look at these different pictures, right? This one starts at 0 and looks like it's going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like a good starting place, right? So it's basically 0 plus negative 5. And then from there, does it go down an additional negative 2.5? In other words, down 2.5 more. Let's see. So then from there, does it go down 1, 2.5? It does. So this is a great answer. Basically, all you have to do when you're thinking about the movement on number line is like 0 plus negative 5 plus negative 2.5. So start at 0, then you're going to move 5 down, then you're going to move another 2.5 down. And let's select that answer, because that's the right one, and we'll do the next thing. All right, let's see what the next one is. Can we hit next question? Sweet. All right. This time it's a horizontal number line, right? So to the left is negative, to the right is positive. You think about it as 0 plus 3.5 plus negative 6, which means you're going to move 3.5 to the right, and then you're going to move 6 to the left. So from 0, we're going to move 1, 2, 3.5 to the right, and then we're going to move 6 to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This looks pretty good, actually. It looks like A is going to be pretty good. And if you were to just do this in your head using a scoreboard idea, right? It's really going to be 6 take away 3.5, which is 2.5, and then negative is going to win. So it's going to be negative 2.5. That looks like where that is. So it looks like the answer is, in fact, A. That was easy. Oop. Let's do the next thing. I can scroll down and find the answer. There we go. All right. This one's like 0 plus negative 2 plus 4.5. So that means you're going to go 2 to the left, and then you're going to move 4.5 to the right. Now, in this case, it's up and down. Up being positive, down being negative. So it means you're going to go down 2 from 0, and then you're going to go up 4.5. So this one's going up to start, so that's obviously wrong. We want to go down 2 to start. Let's see if we can find a better answer. Oh, this one. This is going down 2, and it's going up 1, 2, 3, 4.5. That looks pretty good, actually. Is that what we want? Down 2 and then up 4.5? Yep. So this is the correct answer. Next question. All right, so this time we have a horizontal number line. You got to the left being negative, to the right being positive. Think about it as 0 plus 2.5 plus 4.5. So that's going to be 2.5 to the right from 0, and then 4.5 to the right of that. So you're looking at two arrows that are going in the same direction. 2.5, 1. Let's see, is this going to be counted by 1? Yeah, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So to the right, 2.5, and then from there to the right, 4.5. Let's move the half, and then move 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, this looks like a good answer. And when you add it together, it makes sense because half and a half is 1, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So it should end up at 7, which is where this ends up. So this looks like a very nice answer. We are good. Let's go to the next one. This one is a horizontal number line. You got to the right being positive, to the left being negative. Just because they're fractions, don't freak out. It's exactly the same thing. It's like 0 plus negative 2 2/3 plus negative 1/3. So that means you're going to start at 0, and you're going to move 2/3 to the left, and then you're going to move 1/3 more to the left. Now, if you add those together, you're going to get negative 3/3, which is going to be negative 1. So you're looking for an answer that ends at negative 1 or negative 3/3. So it looks like they're both going the same direction, and you're ending at negative 3/3. Now, this one's tempting, but it looks like the first movement here is minus 2/3, and the second movement from there is minus 1/3. So yeah, this is actually a good answer. We're good. I thought they might be trying to trick us with the order of the arrows, but they weren't. Very straightforward. And for this next one here, to the right being positive, to the left being negative, it's like 0 plus negative 2/5 plus 4/5. So you're going to start at 0, then you're going to move 2/5 to the left, and then you're going to move 4/5 to the right. So you're looking at arrows that are going different directions, right? When the sign's different, you're going to find the difference. Obviously, 4/5 is going to win by how much? 2/5. So you're looking for the answer to end at 2/5. So let's see what happens here. We want to start by going 2/5 to the left of 0. So this one goes to the left 2/5, and then you want it to end at 2/5. So this looks pretty good, actually. So the left 2/5, and then to the right 1, 2, 3, 4/5, ending at 2/5, just like we talked about. That's going to be good. So let's hit B, and we're done with that. Up is positive, down is negative. 0 plus 6 plus -2. That means you're going to start at 0, you're going to go up 6, and then you're going to go 2 down. So start at 0, go up 6, and then go down 2. Are you ending at 4? That looks pretty good. So it looks like the first answer is, in fact, the correct answer. That was easy. All right, guys, that's how you do that skill. Hopefully everyone found it as comfortable as I did. And let's end the video.